The 3-channel 2025 dashcam offers versatile recording options, allowing you to choose between single, dual, or triple-channel modes for comprehensive coverage of your vehicle. With wide-angle lenses capturing views from the front, rear, and interior, this dashcam ensures nothing goes unnoticed, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and everyday commuters alike. Equipped with high-quality night vision and AI-driven wide dynamic range technology, this dashcam delivers clear and optimized video footage regardless of lighting conditions. The seamless loop recording feature automatically overwrites old footage on the memory card, while the built-in G-sensor ensures important incidents are securely saved and protected. Installation is a breeze with the included suction and adhesive mounts, along with thoughtful accessories like spare stickers and a 32GB SD card. Backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime support, the Glory's dashcam offers peace of mind with its reliable performance and dedicated customer service.